can't handle the truth.
Hello everybody, my name is Ifan Yuban. This is 360 Degree Mastery. This is the channel where we teach you personal effectiveness, self-mastery, and how to create, grow, and manage your wealth. Now, last week, when I did the video on Finance 101, I ended the video by telling you that this week I'm going to tell you a little bit about how you can create your own personal financial statement. Now, a personal financial statement is very important. If you're an adult and you have financial responsibilities, you make and spend money, you need to know how to calculate and create your own financial statement to help you monitor your finances and grow your wealth effectively. Now, a financial statement is essentially made up of a balance sheet, an income statement, some people call it a P&L or profit and loss statement, and then what you know as a cash flow statement. So those are the three elements of your personal finances, and I want you to know how you can create your finances in just 5 simple steps. Yes, 5 simple steps. Step number 1 is to project your sales for the period. You can use a month as your benchmark. So project your sales for that month. If you are a paid employee, your sales for the month will be how much am I earning. If you have a side hustle or you have additional income streams, you factor that also into your sales projection. How much am I getting for the period? That is step number 1. Step number 2 is to calculate your budget or your expense for that period. How much am I spending, or do I have to spend for the month? Everything that you are spending on, your incidentals, your food, your necessities, you include that in your budget statement, in what you are spending for that particular month. That is step number 2. Remember, step number 1 is to project how much sales or how much is coming in. Then step number 2 is to project how much you are spending for that period. Then step number 3 goes on for the period, which is to generate a cash flow statement. As you spend money, you put it down. As money comes in from whatever source, you put it down. That will help you have a rounded, full idea of how much money is coming into and is circulating around your financial statement or your financial system. That is developing a cash statement. That is a cash flow statement. That's step number 3. Then step number 4 is to calculate your net profit. Now you're coming to the end of the period, or the period has ended. Now you want to know how much you have made or saved from that period. What you simply do is you deduct how much you have spent from how much has come in. If you have a net balance or if you have a positive balance at the end of it, then you are doing well. If you have a negative balance or if you have 0, then you need to check yourself. You don't seem to be doing well at all, and you need to go back and get some more financial intelligence. Okay, that's step number 4. Step number 5 is for you to figure out or to create your balance sheet. Now, I told you a balance sheet simply shows what you have as assets and what you have as liabilities, and it's very easy to calculate. Just take a sheet of paper, divide it into 2. On one side you put assets, on the other side you put liabilities. Now, in the asset column, list everything you own or you have that has value or that is saving you money. All right, those are your assets. Remember, I've said before that an asset is anything that makes you money or saves you money or prevents you from spending money. So everything you own or that is under your control that is making you money or saving you money, list that under your asset column. Let me give you an example. That internet that you are using that does not belong to you, you got somebody's password, they are using it, that is actually an asset. List it under your asset column. You are using your brother's Netflix account, you're not paying for it, it's an asset because it is providing you with entertainment and it is saving you from spending your own money. So list it under asset. So everything that you have that is of value, put under asset, and everything that is causing you to spend money, put it under liability. All right, that generator that is using up a lot of fuel and oil, it is not an asset, it is a liability. List it under liability. Okay, if you have those teenage children at home that are eating 6, 7, 8 times a day, all right, fine, they are assets, but at the same time you can put their feeding under liability. So I've given you an example of how to create a balance sheet. Now, what this does for you is at the end of the day, you know what your net position is. Are you worth more than you are spending, or are you spending more than you are worth? Okay, when you prepare a financial statement, a personal financial statement, it helps you to plan, it helps you to project, it helps you to save, it helps you to invest, it helps you to create wealth. How did you see this video? If this video was helpful at all, please go ahead and click like, share this video with somebody who needs it. I'm sure there's somebody out there who has been spending money all their lives without taking stock or taking note of what they are spending, and they will see this video and they will be like, wow, I did not know this was possible. Let me go ahead and try this. You can try this for yourself. My name is Ifan Yuba, and this is 360 Degree Mastery. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Okay, hit the notification bell. I put out new videos every week, like I said, and I wish you a prosperous week ahead. Next week, I hope to be here with more tips and more information and more advice to help make you a better and a wealthier person. Namaste.